Reassigning class teachers. Did you know you can reassign a class teacher to another class within your school? Here's how. Click on Classroom in the side menu bar. Locate the class teacher's current class and click on it. Click on the Action button to reveal the drop-down list. Select the Assign to another class option. Choose the classroom you want to assign to the teacher. Click the Change Classroom button and you're done. The teacher's profile will be removed from the old class and made visible in the new class. Additionally, on the Teacher app, the teacher will no longer have access to the data of the old class. Instead, their account on the app will now be populated with data for the new class. Rest assured, this process does not affect the data created by the teacher for the old class. The data will remain available in the account of the class's newly assigned teacher. It's important to note that data is not lost during this process. Teachers can only manage the profiles of the students in their class, register students in their class, mark the attendance list, and generate the report sheet.